Hello everyone. Our project is a menu-driven supermarket management system developed using Java. The program allows user to view products, search for products, purchase items and generate a bill. It uses concepts such as classes, objects, arrays, loops, conditional statements, constructors and object-oriented programming. Now each team member will explain the assigned part of the project.
My part explains the product data class which is used to represent each product in the supermarket. This class contains 4 attributes: product ID, name, price and quantity. It also contains a constructor that initializes these values whenever a new product object is created. This keyword is used to distinguish instance variables from constructor parameters. This class acts as a blueprint for creating product objects.
The display method prints product details such as ID, name, price and quantity in a formatted manner. In the main method, an array of product data objects is created to store products. Several products like, for example, rice, milk, bread and sugar are initialized and stored in the array. This helps organize product information efficiently.
A scanner object is used to take input from the user. A variable such as choice and total bill are declared to store the user menu selection and total purchase amount. A do-while loop is used to repeatedly display the supermarket menu until the user chooses to exit. The creates a menu-driven application. This is easy to use.
When the user selects option 1, the program prints all available products in the supermarket. An enhanced for loop is used to traverse the array of product objects. Before displaying each product, the program checks if the object is not null. The display method is then called to show product details. This allows user to view all available items.
Part explains the product search feature. When the user enters the product ID, the program searches through the product array using a for loop. A boolean variable named found is used to track whether the product exists. If the product ID matches, the product details are displayed, and if no matching product is found, the program displays the product not found message.
So the user enters the product ID and quantity to buy a product. The program checks whether sufficient stock is available. If enough quantity exists, the cost is calculated and added to the total bill, and the stock quantity is reduced. Users can view the total bill using option 4. Option 5 exits the program and displays a thank you message. This completes the supermarket management process. In conclusion, the supermarket management system demonstrates the practical implementation of Java programming concepts. It provides an efficient way to manage products, handle customer purchases and generate bills. Through this project we learned about object-oriented programming, arrays, loops. Okay, so this is a supermarket menu management system. Here we have 5 options. The first one is display products, the second one is search product, the third one is buy product, the fourth one is view total bill, and the fifth one is exit. Now when I click the enter your choice, that is 1, the products will be displayed, that is with ID, name, the name of the product, the price and the quantity. Now when I choose the option 2, that is I want to search a product, there it will come, you have to enter the product ID to search. Now when I give the product ID as 1, the product ID 1 related to that name, price, quantity, everything will be displayed. Now I have to buy a product, so I will select the option 3. Now it will tell me to enter the product ID that I have to buy. Let me choose 2. Now it will ask for the quantity, how much quantity I want. Let's write it as 10. Now the product is purchased and it will show the cost of the product, means how much cost I have to pay them. Now again if I click 1 to display, see, you can see that the quantity has been decreased from 15 to 5. Now again if I choose the option 3 to buy the product, and if I buy the same product with the remaining quantity, that is 5, the product is purchased and the cost has become 150. Now if I display the products, the quantity has become 0 of the second product, that is milk. Now if I try to purchase the same product, it will show as insufficient stock. And now you can see the total bill, that is 450. That is using view total bill. Now you can give exit. So yeah, this is the supermarket management system.